opening them up, really, did I? It's very good for vacuum cleaners, you know, paracetamol. It's well known. It's excellent to make them work more efficiently. I don't know if they smell those tablets, do they? Do they put flavouring in them? You don't know? Shall we look at the ingredients? Let's have a look. What's inside this? Oh, I don't know. The box is broken. Do not take more medicine than the label tells you to. Each 500 milligram tablet contains 500 milligram paracetamol. But what is paracetamol? Adult 2 tablets 4 times a day. Possible side effects: an allergic reaction like skin rash, itching, blistering or peeling of the skin, swelling of the face, lips, tongue or throat. Difficulty in breathing or swallowing, sudden wheezing or collapse. Oh, Tina is looking like them they are not doing so well now. Unexplained bruising or bleeding, red purple spots or discoloration of the skin, sore throat, infection. They may be changes to your blood cells, skin rash or peeling or mouth ulcers, breathing problem, more likely if you suffer from asthma and experienced similar problem before when taking painkillers such as aspirin or ibuprofen. Nausea, sudden weight loss, sudden loss of appetite, abdominal discomfort, dark urine or yellowing of the eyes and skin. This may be signs of changes to your liver, like liver intoxication. So 1 or 2 tablets for an adult up to 4 times a day. So that makes it 8 tablets a day as required. Wait at least 4 hours between doses. Do not take more than 8 tablets in a day. Oh. The tablets contains povidone, starch, magnesium stearate and stearic acid. This is done in Pembroke Road, London for DDSA Pharmaceuticals Limited. Well, that's all very tasty sounding to me. Would you like one? Another one? You already had one. You can have another one. There you go. Okay, one for you, one for Henry. Henry likes that. He said more, mummy, more. I feel much better already. Where's his stuff now? Oh, that seems alright. Let's give him some more. Come on, Henry. Ooh, he likes that, Henry.